much a presentation for everyone, guys.
I love you. I just called to say how much I care about you. I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart.
From this union was born a lethal combination of beauty and brains, a desert rose, in the land of sun, sand, and shawarmas, the United Arab Emirates. Angelica or Angie is a true belle, so it should come as no surprise.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Classic, fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, that is your creation.
Okay, hold it.
Hakuna Matata. Wanna put up for free. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
It needs no worries for the rest of your days.
Sing it, kid. Needs a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Growing up, life was full of adventure and countless travels to the motherland, partying non-stop with cousins and extended family. And then came the quintessential move to the Great White North, oh Canada.
Who let the dogs out? 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 When the party was nice, the party was pumping. And everybody having a fun. I tell the brothers stop taking calling. And the girls just totally call. I hear a woman shout. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Back in high school, Angie met a group of friends that she has tried to escape ever since. But there's no getting rid of these jaguars. St. Joe's, you know?
Let's go, girls. Come on. I'm going out tonight. I'm feeling alright. Gonna let it all hang out. Wanna make some noise. Really raise my voice. Yeah, I wanna scream and shout.
Once a visitor, always a friend is the official slogan of Bon Air, where Angie began the foundation of her medical career. Why true is the same, new chapter in her life, and the most exciting one in
delivered.
उसके मुझे छुआ भी नहीं, ऐसा वैसा कुछ हुआ भी नहीं। नजर थी पहली, हुई बेचैनी।
Everyone in the room, make some noise out here!
सैया ने देखा ऐसे, मैं पानी पानी हो गई। मैं पानी पानी हो गई।
Now that we have seen a glimpse into Angie's life over the years, we're so happy that she's found Gladstone and look forward to the future they both have together. We officially welcome you, Gladstone, into our tribe and just want to say this to you.
We have to move as a family, and a family that comes together stays together. Right, Toast?